Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure content calendar for SEO using Trello step by step clearly. Begin by creating a new board in Trello. Name the board Content Calendar for SEO. Add lists to organize your workflow. Consider lists such as ideas, in progress, scheduled, and completed. Start populating the ideas list. Brainstorm potential content topics that align with your SEO goals. Ensure each idea targets specific keywords. Create a card for each idea in the ideas list. Include the target keyword in the card title. In the card description, add notes on the content format and target audience. Next, choose an idea to move to the in progress list. Set a due date for when you plan to complete the content. Assign team members to the card if applicable. Add checklists for specific tasks needed to create the content. This may include research, drafting, editing, and design. Use the labels feature to categorize content by type, such as blog posts or videos. Add attachments, like research documents and images, directly to the card. Move the card to scheduled once the content is ready. Set a publication date as the due date for the scheduled card. Keep track of metadata such as meta titles and descriptions in the card comments. After publishing, move the card to the completed list. Regularly review and update your content calendar to adapt to new SEO trends. Utilize Trello's calendar view to get a visual overview of your schedule. This ensures timely publication and aligns with your overall SEO strategy. By following these steps, you will have a systematic approach to managing your content calendar for SEO in Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.